I've got here another spooky little pot. Look at that. So it's like a little wizard, and he's got a little wizard hat there, and he's got his little assistant here, and he's got a little wizard hat too, and it's yellow, and they're holding pumpkins. Look at that. 2 little pumpkins here, and it's like oh, what do you call those? A man, I forget the word that I'm looking for, but it's a pot under flame. It's like a witch's pot, and they're like making up some potions or something. It is so cute. So cute. So you see the flames? It's a better picture of the flames. Oh gosh, I'm tripping over my words. It's okay. And it's got this like gold rim. It's a beautiful container. I really, really love it. And it's got the beard, and there's no eyes, right? And it's got that cute little button nose right there. So cute. And he does too. I just love it. So now that I've showed off this container here, it is so cute. I'm going to show you the plants that I have for it, and I'm going to kind of put it to the side over here. And I've got, ooh, look at that. This is a Cylondropuntia. It's crazy. Look at it. So, a friend of mine kind of called it like a Joshua tree, because it kind of does look like it. It's straight up like a beautiful cactus. Look at it. And it's got all these arms that kind of branch out. It's beautiful. So all the little arms, they branch out, and they're covered in spines. So I'm gonna have to be really careful with it. But if I get a little closer, you can see the detail in it. So beautiful. This is I believe that this is a Cholla variety. I might be wrong, but we have them at the shop right now at suckycrafts.com. If you're interested, if you're a cactus lover, and if you don't have one of these, yeah, get yourself one for sure. You won't regret it. They're beautiful. So I've got this as like the thriller, and to add height to my arrangement, I've got a little rosette here. This is a lemon lime or a golden glow. Got some perlite in there, as it should. Beautiful fleshy leaves on this one. It grows upright, so you can see, and it's that beautiful lime green color. I thought that it would look really good with all the yellow that's on the container here. I've got here a Sedum, Firestorm, another kind of orangey yellow one with the orange margins, and they turn red as the heat turns up in summer, or in the cold in the winter. That's when their colors really, really enhance. And it's sedum, so it's hardy. So it's a beautiful plant to have, like if you're in the East Coast, for sure. Ooh, a pottle plant. And this is a Kalanchoe, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. And you see all that red color there. It's like really stressing out here, and I have 2 of them, and it's that like lime green yellow color. So beautiful, and it's got some new growth down under there. And I thought that it would kind of like add to the flames. See how it works out. And another filler. This is a Portulacaria. Not sure if I pronounced that right. But it kind of sounds like a Spanish word, and I'm Latin, so I'm like, oh, Portulacaria. Yeah, Afra, Portulacaria Afra. And it's variegated, so you can see the little cream streaks along the leaves. This is a great plant to have as a filler. And they kind of like, they're like fillers, and they're like trailing plants. They're so beautiful. They grow in little bushes. I love them. And they've got these little red stems on them. So beautiful. And last but not least, ooh, this is a burrito plant. Look at that. So it's a sedum. And I'm gonna kind of like trim these off, just snip them off and use them as fillers if I can fit them in. And this is a very popular succulent plant, burrito. It's a trailing plant. You can put it in like a hanging basket and place it in like indirect sunlight, and it'll grow super long. Love them. Sedum burrito. All right, so I'm gonna get started on this arrangement. And I'm gonna fill it up with some soil. Here we go. Let's see how this turns out. I'm gonna start with my super big cactus plant, and I'm gonna like put it towards the left side like I always do. That's kind of always how I do it. For some reason I feel comfortable doing it that way, because I won't start it in any other like at another spot. I don't know why. Okay, so I filled it up. All right, it's planting time. Now I'm gonna start with this dangerous one right here. Woo! Don't bite me. All right, here we go. I'm gonna make my well, and with my little tweezers here, I'm gonna grab that root ball, and hopefully they stay as a cluster like that. Ooh, that's gonna look so cute. I love it already. Okay, now I'm gonna kind of grab that root ball, bring my soil. Oh man, fill it up. Wow, that is so nice. I love it when one succulent, like, or cactus in this case, like, it's like all the drama, you know, that you need. Oh my gosh, it's so perfect for a little spooky succulent arrangement. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh man, is it like okay that I drool over like these plants? My gosh. Okay, I just can't get enough. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of, I think this is, I mean, sorry that, you know, this angle here, you just see like cactus, but I'm gonna try my best to focus on this part right here. And I think that, let's see. So I've got the Firestorm, and I think that they will look well like in the back right over here. So I'm gonna do my little well here. Try not to disturb that plant there because it's kind of loose, you know, so I want to keep it a cluster. So I'm gonna start with that tall one. I'm gonna tuck it right there, the other tall one right beside it, just like that, and then the other shorter one right kind of in the middle, and that's gonna work out. Oh yeah. I'm gonna shuffle all that soil back to that spot right there, making sure that that little middle one stays put. Okay. Oh, that is so cute. I love it. And I think that I'm gonna go for the lemon lime right over here. It's a healthy looking one right there. Gonna make a deeper well, kind of tuck this one in just by that little wizard there. Oh, so cute. Oh, this is going to be one of my favorites for sure, especially because of the container. I love it when I find little containers like that. I just gotta have it. Like, I can't walk out of the store without it. There's no way. Nope. Okay, now the little paddle plant. I'm gonna set it in the center. Oh, and you know what? I thought of the word, and it's cauldron. Cauldron? I think I said it right. Cauldron. This little pot here that they're cooking in. It was killing me because I knew I had it, but I wasn't pronouncing it right. Okay. All right. I'm gonna tuck that in right in there. Perfect. And now for the portulacaria. Right over here in this spot, and it worked out perfect for me. Just perfect. Okay. Gonna kind of tuck that in. Oh, that looks nice right there by the lemon lime. And another little spot right here. All right. Tuck it in. Perfect. I'm gonna add a little soil. And I think that I can pull off adding some sedum to this little spot right here. So I'm gonna kind of like maybe trail one right over here by the little wizard's face. So let's see how I can pull this off. So I'm gonna grab my sedum, and let's see, I'm gonna grab a nice long one. I like this one right here. I'm gonna cut. Get this out of the frame here. And you see how there's a little stem right there that I cut, and it's got a little root, so that's gonna help me. And I'm gonna kind of tuck it in ever so carefully. I mean, right here. Oh, because sedum, oh, it breaks so easily because it's a sedum. It's very, you know, it's a delicate one. Little chubby leaves just pop right off. But I think I pulled it off. Adding that sedum there. Now I'm gonna add more to this side right here. So I'll keep on snipping some off. Got another one here. Add one right there. And I'm gonna add a third one. Ooh, it got me. I thought I was escaping its wrath, but I didn't. Nope. It's okay. So the last one right here, I'm gonna add it right here by this other sedum. Okay, I'm gonna kind of tuck it in very carefully there. Oh, that is so cute. And let's see, can I tuck another one like over here on this side? Because if I can tuck another one over here, that would be perfect. Okay, I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna do it. Let's see. I need one with a really long. Okay, so I'm kind of done with that. I'm gonna pop off some leaves here. Bloop. Just pop them off. Okay, and let's see. I see a little hole there. I'm gonna lift those little leaves up. Boom, just like that. And I made sure that that stem is in soil so it can root down nicely and keep growing. Because if that little stem isn't touching soil, that stem is just gonna dry up and die. That's what's gonna happen. It needs soil to survive. Because especially since I cut it, it's a little cutting, that little stem will develop roots, and the roots will dig themselves into the soil. So you have to make sure that the stems are touching the soil, for sure. Oh, and I think this came out like I kind of thought it would. And that hardly ever happens, you know. There's always a surprise here and there because the succulents, they kind of go where they want to go. And if you kind of force them, this kind of looks funny. So I'm kind of just cleaning up my succulents here. Oh, and oh gosh, that looks so cute. Oh, man, I'm gonna kind of set it to the side here. Sweep my soil to one corner. And there it is. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So, gonna get it a little closer. I just love how it looks from the top. So cute. And I'm gonna kind of turn it so you can see the back. So I've got the sedum there. The Firestorm, because these are both sedum. So the Firestorm, the burrito, 1, 2, 3. And then I've got some Portulacaria afra. Of course, this lemon lime. And then that one's just kind of just sticking out right there. Oh man, the beauty of sedum, you can just stick it here and there. Oh, I really love this arrangement. It really came out just darling. And all the colors, they all balance each other out. And then we've got this pop of color with the paddle plant. Oh man, round of applause here. And we still have this here, available at our website. So it's a Cylondropuntia, but all the names will be down on the comments or in the description, I should say. Still got a lot of burrito left. We've got lemon limes left and portulacaria. But unfortunately, these are sold out. And the Firestorms, because I took them all. It's the perks of selling succulents. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye garden friends.